Hello and welcome. This is a course on getting to know the Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards for BDAS 15, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. BDAS 15, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate, is defined as a foreign currency transaction should be recorded by applying to the foreign currency amount the exchange rate between the reporting currency and the foreign currency at the date of the transaction. To further understand the module, let's go through one sample scenario, which is to record currency gain or currency loss. In order to record either two, users must have two different scenarios. The first scenario is to record transactions upon sales. For example, Me Industries Limited sells goods to a company in the United States to be paid in US dollars having a value at the booking date of $100,000. Me Industries Limited records this transaction with the following entry. Record a debit to the accounts receivable of $100,000 and a credit to the sales of account of $100,000. This is a customer invoice transaction. The second scenario is where users will be recording the foreign exchange loss. In relation to the same previous scenario, later, when the customer pays Me Industries, the exchange rate has changed, resulting in a payment in US dollars that translates to a $95,000 sale. Thus, the foreign exchange rate change related to the transaction has created a $5,000 loss for Me Industries, which it records with the following entry. Debit the cash or bank account of $95,000 and debit also the foreign exchange loss account of $5,000. Credit the account payable account with amount of $100,000. This is a journal entry transactions. A complete draft of the journal entry will look like this in Accounting Plus. Do note the journal ID for future reference. If you need more help, guidance, or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for BDAS 15, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rate.